Do you have unsightly scum lines on your boat like this? We've got a remarkable product for you here today. It's the new and improved and also new H&H vinegar. It's so simple to use, even this guy could do it. All you have to do is get your favorite water bottle or go buy one. Take our patented new and improved and also new H&H vinegar and, oh wait a minute. Put some water in this and then add the new and improved and also new H&H vinegar. 50% water, the rest vinegar. Now that we've mixed our H&H vinegar with our water, we're ready to apply it to this scum lined boat. If you act now and buy the new H&H vinegar and put in code HH12493, you'll get your very own FOA Customs and Gear scum wiper. H&H vinegar is so easy to use, even that guy could do it. Simply spray it on your boat, let it set, wipe it off with a scummy, nasty rag. Once you've applied the patented new and improved new H&H vinegar, let it set for just a few seconds so it can do the work. Then take your favorite scum sucking rag and wipe it off. And in just seconds, you can remove all that scum from your boat by using the all new and improved and new H&H vinegar. Just look at the awesome results provided by the H&H new, improved, and new vinegar. That right there, folks, is
pretty dang sweet. I'm just saying.